not only to be here, but to get to know you. And we have come here largely because of this nice lady over here, Emu, that we met a couple of years ago, who through her connection has brought us here today to begin to know you and begin to know Pastor Min and begin to spend time worshiping with your church. So we are very, very pleased to be here, and we look forward to meeting you today. And now I will pass it to my wife, Charmin.
I'd like to say good morning too, and to thank you for inviting us to come today. It's really nice to be here to worship the Lord with you, and it's amazing to see how God works. How about 5 years ago, my friend Michelle asked if I wanted to come and meet someone in Carnegie who wanted to study the Bible. And we've just been so blessed to read the Bible together and to get to know each other and to pray. And we're just so very thankful for our friendship with Emu and the chance to grow in God's love together. And we're very pleased to be here and hope to get to know you all too.
My name is Michelle Lowline, and with Charmin, I met Emu through my church, Dorseyville Alliance Church, where we did some ministry to it was mostly the Syrian immigrants, but Emu would come down for all of the activities that we had. And the woman who was in charge of that ministry asked if anybody could have a Bible study with one of the ladies there. That was Emu. And Charmin and I agreed to go and to meet with her as much as we can. And Emu has become our dear friend, and it's such a joy to fellowship with Emu and with Charmin. We've grown very close. They're, two of my best friends, in the whole world. And I want all of you to know that we have been praying for you as well. We've been praying for this church. We're praying that you would get a pastor that could lead you, and so you can all grow closer to the Lord. And that is our prayer, that you would all grow closer to the Lord, and that Jesus would be glorified. That's the reason why we do what we do. But just thank you for inviting us. We're very honored, and it's such a joy to see Emu grow in the Lord, and all of you as well.
I guess I'm special because I have 2 microphones. My name is Warner Lowline, Michelle's husband. Apologize for the mess, but when I woke up this morning, I coughed a couple times. I didn't want to take any chances whatsoever. I feel fine, but I just want to, I too am happy to be here. Michelle is usually every week doing her Bible study, but I don't see the other half. So for me, this is a wonderful opportunity to see Emu and your gathering here and to worship with you on this Sunday morning. Being Americans, we don't have a lot of that. My parents came from Germany, and I know that when I started school, my parents were called into the classroom by the teachers and said, we don't know what to do with Werner. He's answering in class, but he's answering the questions in German, so we don't know if it's right or wrong. So I had my first 2 years, I got all C's, which is just average, until I could get the hang of the language. So I admire each and every one of you that is learning the challenging language of English, which I think, because we got some very strange cases of how we use words. So, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the day and more events like this in the future. Thank you. You want mine or first? Oh, you got one.
Good morning, everybody. It is so nice to see you guys here, and we just feel so blessed to be a part of this service today. I love seeing all the little kids here. It is such a blessing to have them, and we just thank God for the way He works in our lives, through the trials and the valleys, how He brings us together in those times. We met Emu about 4 or 5 years ago in Carnegie while we were tutoring the library. And since then, I know our friendship has grown and Sarah's friendship has grown with her. And again, we just feel so thankful to be a part of God's work with you. And just want to bless you today and your families and your church. Thank you.
I really can't add to that. Everybody has said everything that's in my heart too. But I just want to add, I can see Jesus shining in everyone's face. So beautiful. And I'm so blessed to have Emu and Waymore in my life. They've been such a blessing to me. God bless you all.
Thank you. All the beautiful things I shall reach where the sun goeth down. Where among different valleys where my Savior sing, will there be any stars in my crown? Will there be any stars in my crown? And hear the sun going down. When I wake with the blessed and the mansions of rest, with the big and starry stars in my crown. In the presence of the Lord, let me labor and pray. Let me watch as the wavers of souls. Let my stars may be bright in the glorious day, when the praise of the sea billows roll. Will there be any storms, any storms in my soul, when the evening's the sun going down? When I wake